It is always a good idea to back up files from your device to the cloud in the event that you have issues with your laptop or accessing files. Office 365 provides the ability to access Microsoft Office applications from the cloud and to back up files using the OneDrive app. Additionally, Office 365 provides the ability for instructors and students to share and collaborate. To access Office 365 using Cynap, tap the plus sign to bring up the Cynap menu. Choose the Office 365 option. The Office 365 icons will appear. Select the program that you want to use. After selecting the application, you will be prompted to sign in to Microsoft. Additionally, you will have to provide your user credentials for two-factor authentication. Make sure to log out of Office 365 before tapping the X to close the Office 365 resource on Cynap.